This is the Barefaced Perfectionist Facial Shave Oil, designed to create a smoother, more comfortable shaving experience. It comes in a 1 fluid ounce bottle, making it easy to handle and great for daily grooming routines. The formula features botanical oils and vitamin E, which help soften facial hair and allow the razor to glide more smoothly across the skin. I like how lightweight the oil feels. It doesn't feel greasy, and it helps you see exactly where you're shaving, which is especially useful for precise lines and detailing. It's made to help minimize the feeling of drag while shaving and leave skin feeling soft and conditioned afterward. The nourishing oils also make it a good option for anyone who wants their skin to feel comfortable and hydrated after shaving. If you're looking for a shave oil that focuses on smooth glide, skin comfort, and a clean finish, the Barefaced Perfectionist is a simple and effective addition to your grooming setup.